This video will show you how to create your free Mendeley account and download the Mendeley Reference Manager app to your device. First, go to the Mendeley website at mendeley.com. There are two ways to create a Mendeley account. The first is to use your personal email address. This is useful if you plan to use Mendeley when you are no longer in DKIT. The second is to use your DKIT account, useful if you want one less password to store or remember. However, you will lose access to your Mendeley library when you finish in DKIT using the second option. Decide which option suits you, then click Create Account on the top right-hand side. Let's step through option 1 first. Enter your personal email address and click Continue. Enter your details, choose a password, then click Register. Option 2 allows you to use your DKIT account instead of entering your personal email address. Click on the button to sign in via your organisation. Search for Dundalk Institute of Technology, click to confirm, enter your DKIT account details and then log in. Both options will take you to a welcome screen. Click on your name on the top right-hand side. Take note of Mendeley's Help Guides and Support Centre. These are very useful resources. Then click Download Mendeley. Choose an option based on your device and then follow your usual process for downloading apps.